In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add product variants on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, make sure you are on your dashboard. If not, click the dashboard button in the top right corner. Next, go to the Products section from the left sidebar and select the product you want to edit by clicking on its name. Once the product editor opens, scroll down until you find the Variants or Product Details section. Here, you can start creating different options for your product. For example, if you are selling an ebook, your variants could be different file formats like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. If you are selling physical products, your variants could be sizes like small, medium, and large, or colors like red, blue, and black. Click Add Variant or Add Details to create a new variant option. Then enter the variant name such as format, size, or color. After that, add the different values for each option. For example, PDF, EPUB, MOBI. You can also set different pricing for each variant if needed. For example, you could charge an extra amount for a premium version or bundle. Once you finish adding your variants, go to the top of the page and click Save and Continue. Finally, publish or update your product so the variants become available to customers during checkout. And that's how to add product variants on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.